Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
女
a key character for all things feminine. Let's dive in. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
女折撇横
Three elegant strokes
女
means woman or female. Use it in words like
女人
woman,
女孩
girl,
女士
lady. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Now that you know how to write,
女
let's expand your vocabulary with
女
it's essential for describing people and relationships. Common words and phrases.
女儿
Daughter,
女性
female,
女朋友
girlfriend. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
她是我的女朋友
She is my girlfriend.
这个女孩很聪明
The girl is very smart. Section 4. Fun fact. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
女
It originally depicted a woman kneeling, reflecting ancient roles. Now it's a symbol of strength. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does near mean? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.